Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. Now this particular category is a junior suite. Now the ship just got a renovation. You'll see a lot of that in the suite itself, updated furniture, carpeting, things along those lines. Now I'm going to take you through the full space in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com or reach out to your Harr Travel advisor. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now the junior suites here on board definitely have quite a bit more space in the balconies. So it's that common transitional room, whether you're not quite ready to go all the way up to a grand suite and get the full suite amenities, but you want more space and a few upgrades in the suite itself. Now let me take you through the space. Now when you walk in the door, to the right-hand side, you're gonna find the bathroom. Now as I step in here, you'll see that there's definitely a decor difference. You've got the tiles all around. You're also gonna have a pretty good size vanity here. You've got some upgraded bath amenities from what you'll find in the standard rooms. You've got a bit of storage tucked just behind here on either side, plug for a razor, and a little bit of storage underneath as well. Now over here, you're gonna find this shower tub combo. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6", so actually when I step in here, I've got to duck just a little bit. Most of the population does not have that issue at all. But what I absolutely love about this is you have a full bathtub. Now I've cruised a lot with my family. Now that my little guy is just 8 months old, my daughter's 7, it's great to have a bathtub for the family. To me, it makes all the difference in the world for both of them to be able to utilize it, have a nice bubble bath as well, and then also have the shower combo. Now you do have the shower curtain. I wish it was a shower door, but for me, the trade-off of having a tub is such a great benefit. Now as we head further into this junior suite, you're gonna find a nice large walk-in closet. Now there's a ton of storage in here for a family. You're gonna find that you have shelves all the way up and down. You got shelves up above, and then you also have hanging storage all the way across. These will pop down for more hanging storage, and you'll also have those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers you can use on board. Now heading into the room itself, you're gonna find a mirror here you can use to get ready. I love this little nook. I always leave my key card there so I don't forget to grab it on the way out. Now the bed is together in what they call the Royal King configuration right now. It can be separated apart into two twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle. Either way, you've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. Now I will point out that you don't have plugs next to the bed, so you do have plugs over here on the vanity. They can run a cord depending on your needs, and I always bring an extra battery backup. I can charge it during the day, and then I can use it to charge my phone at night. Now over here, you're gonna find a bit of storage tucked on the side. So you've got shelves all the way up and down here. You're gonna have your vanity. It's large and you've got lights on either side. You've got nooks just behind the mirrors with storage there as well. A European plug over here to complement the two US. Now I do bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You've got drawers for storage. You'll also find your hairdryer in there. A little bit more storage underneath here as well. And then just above the TV, you're gonna find a shelf, and you also have a safe. Perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. Now you've got your flat panel TV here. It's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship. In addition to watching television, you can angle it towards the couch area, or you can angle it over here towards the bed. Now you've got a nice sofa there. Once again, you can see it was all reupholstered recently, coffee table and 2 chairs as well. And then you also have a small writing desk over here, your mini fridge underneath, a little bit of storage up above. And one of those upgrades for being in a junior suite is you're gonna get that Lavazza coffee maker. Now I love that because I start my day at home with an Italian coffee. I love doing it here on board Royal Caribbean as well. Now you're gonna find that you have a larger balcony on here. Let's head out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You're gonna have a table and 2 chairs here. That perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take in the beautiful ever-changing ocean views. Once again, being a junior suite, you have a bit more space out here. Now keep in mind, if you're interested in the full suite experience, you can check out our grand suite and above videos. We have all those on the channel, in addition to the full ship tour. Now when you're ready to book this beautiful junior suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.